husband says I should do some vlogging. He encouraged it. So this is vacation vlogs from Lightning Bliss. I am very tired. It's currently 2:35 a.m. back in Central Texas, America. I'm not in America. I'm in Frankfurt, Germany right now. You can hear it. This isn't our final stop. We're planning to actually head to Berlin, which is in Denmark. And we're basically flying to Denmark, where his parents are going to pick us up and then drive us back to their town in Germany because we're avoiding the politics going on in Hamburg. So, this is what you pay for cheap flights. Sorry, I'm really groggy. I'm basically forcing myself to stay up. I basically pulled an all-nighter. I am pulling an all-nighter right now. Will I take a nap? I don't know. Hopefully I'll share some fun vlogs later. Okay. Okay, this is actually day 2 of my trip to Germany. We're on our way to a southern western state away from my husband's hometown. We're going to a beach housing for a little family vacation. We're on the Autobahn right now. This is the Autobahn. Yeah. And so the last time I was on the Autobahn, we were heading to Frankfurt, and I saw 3 red Ferraris. That's like extremely rare in America, but here it's common sight. But yeah, we're going really, really fast now because there's no speed limit on the Autobahn. And sorry for the shakiness. So yeah, this is basically farmlands, countryside of Germany is what we're seeing. So we are staying at an apartment complex in another state. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's all German, so anyway, we're near the beach right now, and we don't have a beachside view, but I do have a lot of farmland right here. See over there, there's some cows grazing. If I go over here, might get a view of where the beach will be. It's over that hillside over there. Oh, more cows. This is our bedroom. Looks nice. Whoop. Not filmy Manny. It's our oven and kitchen area. It's very quaint. And this is the bathroom. Look at this. It's a walk-in shower. Walk-in shower. Really, really cool. This is a sauna. I've never been in a sauna before. They're very popular here in Germany, apparently. It's cool. This is like the softest bed ever. I am laying on a pillow.
Und da ist das Auswandererhaus.
Ja.
Fußgängerzone. Shopping Mall.
Okay. Y'all understood that. We're going to do some shopping.
Museums.
In a museum.
Harbor
Okay.
with old ships.
Museum. Sorry, I wanted to look at this real quick. This is a map that you hold. We're in the harbor at this German boat city.
Right there.
We're basically,
Where that rock thing is.
see where that round tower is? That's where we are.
Ja,
Yeah.
die Aussichtsplattform, Lars. Hier, Sail City. Das
Oh, it
ist
lights
da.
up. Look at that.
Und das Auswandererhaus
Oh.
ist da.
Uh-huh. I like that. Alles klar.
Der Zoo ist da.
That's where we are.
Ja, da sind die Eisteddys.
Okay. Oh, this is gonna be fun to play with after a while.
Da ist Columbus Center.
Okay.
Shopping.
Shopping.
Also shopping.
It's good.
The Germans do like their miniature models. I want to point that out. They love miniature models here. So we're in an Italian-inspired shopping mall area. Yeah. Man, he's taking a picture of me. Sorry. So my father-in-law was taking a picture of me. I'm trying to avoid getting them in the vlog as best I can. That's my hubby and his mom over there. Manny, I'm vlogging. But yeah, this is an Italian-inspired shopping center we're in right now. And Lars is like, we got money to blow. I'm like, I'm not going crazy. Oh yes, you need a new jacket because the rats chewed up your old one and then it was stolen. That's not too bad, but you want waterproof.
Look at these discounts.
You want waterproof though, make sure it's waterproof. So yeah. And yes, if you notice, I am putting on an accent just so I can somewhat communicate with my in-laws, but not by much.
Did you get anything?
Yep. This is Italian ice cream. And I got chocolate and banana with whipped cream and a little waffle right here. Yum. Husband's got stracciatella, and my father-in-law has strawberry, and Zilke has a banana split.
Oh,
Yum.
yummy.
Making y'all jealous yet? This hat's too big on me.
Yeah, another sauce experiment.
Bratwurst.
I think it's trying to tell me something.
I think it's saying go to your native sausages.
Yeah.
Go to it,
I mean,
Lars.
let's face it, you can always buy fish and chips at home.
Yeah.
Keep filming it.
Well, you don't get a live player very often.
Like, no, we're staying.
The cute little puppies trying to get out the water. There you go. There's the water.
Dat hij staat aan. Had je als achternacht. Had hij niet ingepikt.
Cute little guy.
Nou, was er niets. Wat er niets.
That dog's gonna see you a lot later.
Okay, we just went through the mall and now we're at the harbor again and I'm checking out an old
Boy,
fishing ship. Yeah?
big ass container ship
Oh,
on the horizon.
yeah. This is a old harbor, right? It's a tourist harbor?
Well, it is now.
Yeah. This ship is called the Bremerhaven.
No, that's where it's from.
That's where it's
called
from?
the Greenland.
Oh, it's called the Greenland, okay. I'm gonna try and get closer. Not too close, obviously. And it's anchored. It's actually an active ship. Ain't that cool that it's an active ship?
That's the Greenland.
I don't see the steering wheel. The aft, or whatever you call it.
That's because this thing is moved with a sail.
Oh,
The sailing ship.
but but oh, so they have a large.
They use that to steer. They turn it.
How do they steer? Wait, where do they steer?
You see this? It's gonna be a big sail.
Oh, so they. Oh, okay, okay. Sorry, I don't know much about ships.
Neither do I.
And I can hear Sweetie Bloom in the background going ship, ship, ship.
Actually, I think your steering is right there. That must be. I think they put a rope around.
Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, they grab that little white handle right there where I'm pointing, and then they steer it.
That knob.
Okay, so it is a large sailing vessel, and clearly it is an active one.
It is.
It's cool that they still use these.
Let's get a water dispenser.
Yeah. So, and the boat ahead of us is a steamer. And this right here, which we're hoping to go to, is the Immigration Museum?
Well,
Or it's part of it.
What's the opposite of an immigrant? The guy that said leave.
Citizen?
No, the guy said leave the country. That's what it's.
Migrate. They migrators? I don't know.
You could call it the German Migration Museum, then, because
German Migration
this
Museum.
is about
Okay.
people who left the country.
Okay, that makes sense.
I think.
Okay, I understand that. So cool. Yes, I am enjoying my vacation, all you friends watching and viewers. Yes, it took me a while to get used to doing no work, but when you have nice fresh air like this and you get to see monuments or just active stuff like this, like the old lighthouse right over there, yeah, it's worth it. Okay, we are at a very high tower. You can see the entire harbor from up here. I don't want to drop my phone, so I'm hanging onto it very tightly. Woo. Okay, I'm going under. It's safer. Oh, yeah, looking down is a little scary. Yeah, I know. There's the ship. We went from there to up here. Woo. Ocean.
It's a zoo.
Where's the zoo?
You're looking at it.
Oh.
Where the rocks are.
Oh, there's the zoo. There it is. And we are back at the city to see the zoo aquarium. It's going to be like Arctic or South Pole animals. So that's going to be fun. Gonna see some polar bears. Nice. Oh, there he is. He just came out to say hello to the camera. Hello. It's like a wild hamster. Oh, you're so cute. Focus. Aww. I think my rats would eat you. You're so small. Look how small he is compared to me. See, that's my finger, and there's him. He's so small. Okay, this is a measurement of their current polar bear. Can you hold it for me? It's videotaping. Okay. It's a video. Yeah, I wouldn't want to make this outside. This is for all my fox friends. You got an Arctic fox. You got the red fox. And you got the Phoenix fox. They're all super cute. Are they in here? They are. Look at that little guy.
Hola, folks.
Oh, he's so cute. Hi, puppy. Puppy.
No one behind that bush.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see him. They're so fluffy. So it's a silver fox, a Arctic gray fox. Yeah.
Yeah, but definitely nice.
Ooh, that is very close. Wow.
They look like torpedoes.
They do. Oh, there's one over there in the corner.
No, hiding.
Yeah.
Look, they're around.
Uh-huh. I think you made a new friend, Lars.
Okay, I don't fault anybody for making that selfie.
That was cool. Here are the cutest animals in the world. African otters. They're just so cute. They're so sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy otters. It's like, go away, humans. We're sleeping.
Wolffish.
It is a wolffish. Dog, it's your sea cousin. He doesn't look very friendly, though. I am Dr. Seawolf. How can I help you today?
Wow, those are tiny for their size. That seawolf was tiny. They can get as tall as you are.
Eeks.
Oh, I spotted someone in hiding. Big one.
Before I close out, wanted to share the fact that I am eating the street food, German style, and it's called a currywurst. This is street food German style, and basically it's bratwurst with curry sauce, French fries with mayonnaise. It's so yummy. It's very, very good. They like these little porks they give you. Eat the French fries with. Reagan. It's a big bite. So before we were about to leave, I'm like, what kind of, is that what I think it is? And my husband said, yes. This is a flaming red Ferrari. I gotta get around. From the 90s?
I think so, unless it's a new model. I'm familiar with the series. Testarossa is not new.
The Tesla Rossa.
Testarossa.
Testarossa Ferrari. It's flat. Look how flat it is. Wow. Yeah, I'm doing my best trying not to get the license plate, but wow. Probably can't see the inside very well, but
See the engine though. Holy cow.
here's the engine.
The engine is right there.
Hey, I'm Toonie. Edgy, edgy, edgy. Hello, I'm Golden Fox. I like wearing socks and pretty pink bows, and I can play the guitar. Boop. So right now it's past 8 p.m. and there is a storm moving in, like literally. So that's the edge of the storm, and that's it coming towards us. I don't think we're gonna go to the museum tomorrow.
Oh, we will.
You think so?
Yeah. It won't be indoors, so that's not a problem.
And there's a spider right there. Whoa, that was lightning. Woo.
You can hear it coming in. You hear the rumble?
That's the storm?
Yeah.
That rumble is the storm.
Yeah. So did you hear that? It's coming from there. It's coming where the storm's coming from.
That flash felt a little close. Okay, 3 minutes later, the storm like really rolled in, and holy crap! I've never seen I've never seen a sea storm before, and it's really getting bad. It's like my phone's getting a little wet, and I don't want to ruin it.
Oh,
Nine. Oh gosh! Ah! That cornfield is being destroyed right now.
the cows are running for cover.
Yeah, the cows, like, there were a bunch of cows that ran into the trees over there, and wow. Look at that.
Rain, you can't see anything.
You can't see a thing. The wind is just blowing it all in that direction. Oh god. Okay, I'm getting wet and I'm getting cold. I'm gonna shut down. It is the next day after the zoo, and we're at an immigration museum. So I didn't give credit to this place, but basically this is a reincarnation from 100 years ago when immigrants came to America. Unlike my husband and I, who could go back and forth in America, back then they couldn't. When you got on this ship, there was no returning. This was a no going back zone. Once you're on the ship, you're going. So for those who treaded to America to make a different life for themselves, really had to give up a lot, knowing they could never go home. I look back on that now, it's very humbling, because me and my husband who is from Germany, he has the luxury of being able to come back here and see his family again, unlike the people 100 years ago. It's pretty impressive, huh? Wow. So third class was right there. That's where us lowlifes would live. Second class. And then there was the first class. Hospital?
There.
There? Ah, hospital at the front of the ship.
20 engines.
Engines.
And here.
Because I didn't have enough ice cream before. Yeah. Nom. 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 Am I making y'all jealous yet? So we're at a Navy museum. Basically, it's an outdoor Navy museum. You can check out these boats that were in service. Some of these were in service during World War II. We're gonna go on this big one. It's recording, just hold it. Arr, fiddly-dee, do what, 'cause a pirate is free, do what you want, and don't you be, you are a pirate! So this is a ship model of a ship that no longer exists, but y'all will probably recognize the name immediately. This was the ultimate terror of the Nazi Navy fleet, the Bismarck. Obviously the ship is no longer existing, but for history reasons they rebuilt a model of her, and she's probably in every Navy museum in Germany. But she was a ship that was well feared. What was the story that she destroyed the British's strongest ship?
She destroyed the hood of the British flagship in one shot.
In one shot. That's...
The irony is that she herself was disabled in one shot, and even though it was argued that she was never destroyed, rumor has it that she scuttled the ship.
which basically means they intentionally sabotaged their own ship so it would sink and not fall into enemy
See the rudder
hands.
back there?
Mm-hmm.
That rudder was damaged. It could only go in a circle. And with no reinforcements in sight, she went down.
Mm-hmm.
However, you really want to see the front of this way. I mean, just go on eye level. This is what the enemy was looking at when that thing came at us. Imagine that for a minute.
Yeah, this is the first thing you see if you were on the wrong side of this vessel. It was those two
Giant ass cannons.
cannons, yeah.
38 centimeter projectiles hung. The projectiles fired from that cannon were over 10 feet long.
Yeah.
The projectiles. Those are not bullets anymore.
It's like this is an impressive feat of human engineering and weaponry. At the same time, I'm glad she's no longer existing. Okay, what we're looking at here is the old remains of an older ship. I'm not sure what kind of ship she was. Apparently, there's some of her artifacts. What kind of ship was she, hun?
That would be a cog.
A cod.
Cog.
Cog.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna hold my phone real tight.
Ancient ship.
An ancient ship. I'm looking at her. Castle. Focus. The after castle had possibly not yet been finished when the ship sank in Wesser. Thus, the room under the castle may have remained open. The 3 boards used when rebuilding the ship indicate how the castle could be closed in order to create a protected area. Yep. 3rd time's the charm. Because I don't make y'all jealous enough with this ice cream. This is like the 3rd time we've stopped at this ice cream place. You with your typical stracciatella, Manny with a strawberry, and me and Zilke have the banana split. I know you love me. And so we say goodbye to the little vacation on the beach. That's the main hotel. This is where we stayed. The ocean's just over that horizon. And it's been a very lovely weather despite some rainstorms. It's been very kind to us. And we're heading back to my husband's house, and I will be enjoying the rest of my break with his family. So I hope you guys enjoyed all these vlogs, and can't wait to come back home to America. Hope you had fun. Keep an eye out for those rainbows that can make you smile. Hi guys, it's Lightning Bliss. I hope you all enjoyed the video. This is a special shout out to all of my Patreons from July 2017. Really appreciate all your efforts to help me to keep my channel running, and I cannot begin to thank you all enough to Science-SteelRail, Night Mist, GameAct3, Josh Scorcher, Kimberly Cook, Saethwr, Paulkdragon, ZionKraze, Groza Dallocort, Flamerunner, HayleyCometra, Joshua Alton Sterrett, Akanu Balgshstahlay, The Watchful Pony, Jeffery Ritter, Charon, Sara Olsson, Lunetiz Mane, Harm's Way, Ryley Percival Miller, ZebronyCaptain, Thomaswriter, Brandon Mcfadden, FameStar01, Feather Scratch, and Will I Zane. Again guys, thank you for all your efforts in helping me to support my channel. Keep an eye out for those rainbows. They will make you smile.